In this video, you will learn how to download and install Microsoft Project 2024. To get started, open your web browser. On the address bar, type Office Customization 2. Open this first one. Select the architecture of your system. On this project area, click and select Project Professional 2024 Volume License. Next, select your preferred language. Next, turn off this, uninstall any MSI versions. Next, then click on Finish. After that, click on Export. Accept the license agreement, then export. Open a new tab and type Office Deployment 2. Open the first result. Click Download. Open the download folder. Create a folder for the download files. Name it Project. Then pick those files and put in this project folder. Double click on it. Right click on Office Deployment 2. Run as administrator. Click Yes. Click to accept license agreement. Click Continue. Select that very folder that we created. Once you are done, cut this folder, go over to your C drive, paste it there. Go over to your search area on your computer and type CMD. Right click and run as administrator. Type CD the name of that folder and press enter. Type setup space / configure space configuration.xml. Press enter. The installation will begin. With this, the installation process is done. Click on Close. Type Exit. Let's see what we have installed. On the Start menu, click on it, then click on Project. This will open up for you. Accept the license, then click on Blank New Project. With this, the installation has been successfully done. If you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to like, subscribe, and do well to turn on the notification bell for more on this channel. Thank you.